Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your Firebase project and app credentials. Create or open the project, enable cloud messaging, then add your Android and iOS apps so Firebase knows where to send messages. Once added, download Google Services, JSON or Google Service Info. List and place them in the correct app folder. Make sure package ID match. For iOS, upload the APN's P8 key in project settings and record the key ID and team ID. This lets Firebase relay notifications reliably to Apple devices. Next, implement the messaging code inside your app so it can receive and display notifications. Add the Firebase messaging SDK and any platform-specific dependencies, then request runtime notification permissions on iOS and modern Android. Explain why. Without permission, messages won't display. Implement on new token to send the device token to your server, and add a message handler that differentiates data versus notification payloads, logging received messages so you can confirm delivery during development and debugging. Finally, send notifications and finalize your workflow. For quick checks, compose and send messages from the Firebase console. For production use, call the FCM v1 HTTP API or use the admin SDK to target tokens, topics, or condition expressions. Make sure your server stores current device tokens and that payloads include proper keys for data or notification displays. If messages don't arrive, check FCM responses for error codes, confirm APN's credentials, inspect device logs for permission or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.